There is this noise my car makes at the rooftop from the sunroof. Trying to see if I'll be able to fix it. I just want to give you a sign of what the sound is like. Just listen. That's like that clunking sound there. That's what it makes when you go through bumpy roads. Like these roads are really bumpy, they're really bad. Let me see, I should get it here again. You can hear that. You can hear that. That's what it sounds like. So I'll be taking out the headliners to see if I can see what's making the noise. But the noise is coming from the roof. As you can see, you can hear that. So I'm going to try to fix this car by first taking out the battery terminals negative. So I'll be taking out the negative terminal before I try to take out the headliners of this Camry to fix the clunking noise that we have been facing. And I would first try to, before taking out these headliners, it's quite a job. There's a lot of components to take out on this car. So I'll first of all take out the two front seats, the back seats, and every other thing retaining it in front. I'll try to carry you guys along as I do fix it. Yeah, I've taken out the front seats now. The front seats are out. So it's next thing to do is to take out the rear seats. After taking out the rear seat, I'll take out those trims that are there, then the side panels too. You can see how the car looks without the front seat. That's how it looks without the front seat. That's the rear seat. I'll take it out very soon.
We got holes, but we carry on. Yeah, we got holes in our hearts. Yeah, we got holes in our lives. Where we got holes, but we carry on. Say we got holes in our hearts. Yeah, we got holes in our lives. Where we got holes, but we carry on. Say we got holes in our hearts. We got holes in our lives. We got holes, but we carry on. Say we got holes in our hearts. We got holes in our lives. We got holes, but we carry on. Say we got holes in our hearts. Yeah, we got holes in our lives. Yeah, we've got holes, but we carry on. I did hidden under the grid. Young and naive, I never believed that love could be so well hid. With regret, I'm willing to bet you say the older you get, it gets harder to forgive and harder to forget. It gets under your shirt like a dagger of word. The first cut is the deepest, but the rest are flipping hurt. You build your heart of plastic, you're cynical and sarcastic, and end up in the corner alone. Cause I love to feel love, but I can't stand the rejection. I hide behind my jokes as a form of protection. I thought I was close, but under further inspection, it seems I've been running in the wrong direction. Hopes up, and all you're ever getting is choked up when you're coked up and can't remember the reason why it broke up. You call her in the morning when you're coming down and falling. your heart tingle. How much greener the grass is with those rose-tinted glasses. But the butterflies, they flutter by and leave us on our asses. 'Cause I love to feel love, but I can't stand the rejection. I hide behind my jokes as a form of protection. I thought I was close, but under further inspection, it seems I've been running in the wrong direction. There's fish in the sea for me to make a selection. I'd jump in if it wasn't for my ear infection. 'Cause all I wanna do is try to make the connection. It seems I've been running in the wrong direction. Oh. Behind the jokes as a form of protection. I thought I was close, but under further inspection, it seems I've been running in the wrong direction. I love to feel love, but I can't stand the rejection. I hide behind my jokes as a form of protection. And I thought I was close, but under further inspection, it seems I've been running in the wrong direction. Oh. Like I'm running in the wrong direction, oh. Seems like I'm running in the wrong direction, oh. Well, it seems I've been running the wrong direction, oh. Seems I've been running in the wrong direction, oh.
So I've taken out all the components. Now that's the headliner over there. It's quite tricky to take it out of the car. I had to take it out of the car. I had to take it out of the car from the rear left door. This side was where I took it out from, and it was quite tricky. I just had to wiggle it out. So these are all the components out of the car now. Yep, it is out of the car. And now the next thing I want to do is mind you, this was where I was hearing the noise, and I'm suspecting that this nut here has come loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to retight every one of the nuts and bolts retaining this roof here, pull back just these two seats, and test drive the car and see if the noise still continues. If it doesn't, I think that's the fix. If it does, I think I have to take out this roof assembly, this moon roof assembly. It's extended to this back, and that's the water hose over there. Yeah. So what I'm going to do right now is just try to retight all these nuts that are retaining the moon roof here. I'll try to retight this one, especially these ones here. Try to retight them and see how it goes afterwards. Mind you, before I go for a test drive, I'll try to cover this side off. This is the airbag component. I try to cover this side off so I won't mistakenly touch it and cut it off. Both sides. Try to cover it up with nylon clothes and tape it together there. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be losing all these nuts, and the bolts as well. I'm going to be losing all of them. They are here. I'll lose all of them and retight them.
Yeah, I shine bright like a sky full of comets that shoot like silver trains. Well, if you can't get what you love, you learn to love the things you've got. If you can't be what you want, you learn to be the things you're not. If you can't get what you need, you learn to need the things that stop you dreaming. Oh, all the things that stop you dreaming. Oh, 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 no. And oh, 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 no. Oh, 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 love. You learn to love the things you've got. If you can't be what you want, you learn to be the things you're not. If you can't get what you need, you learn to need the things that stop you dreaming. Oh, all the things that stop you dreaming. All the things that stop you dreaming.
I'm on this very rough road. This is where I usually hear the noise before. Although I've been driving for a while now, and I've gone through several rough roads and it has stopped. So I believe fixing the fault is actually just loosening and retightening all the nuts and bolts. Now let's listen. Here on this, I'm about to climb a bump. Here it should sound. And as you can see, we heard no noise. Let me go back and see if it occurs again. And it didn't come up. So let's go forward again. And nothing. I think we fixed this fault. So what we need to do now is to couple the car back and so everything is back together now. I'm waiting for the final test drive. I want to have the car washed properly before I put back again place, but everything is back together now. So for the test drive now is what I'm going to